This is a special personalized packing video for Jacqueline's order today. We're packing a green seasonal floral bundle with a Luvia notebook inside, and honestly, this combination looks so cozy together. It always makes me so happy seeing you choose the Luvia notebook, something I created and designed for Luvia store with so much love and attention to every little detail. From the thick paper to the colors and feel of the notebook, it means so much to me that you enjoy it too. Jacqueline, thank you so much for your support and for your order. I really hope this bundle brings you lots of inspiration, comfort, and cozy study moments.